Guys, just got a severe thunderstorm watch. This guy's gonna go off. Oh my god, get you. Oh, we're in that. Oh, heck yeah, boy. We're literally in this. I can see it right there. Oh, and there's storms coming. Severe wind, moderate. Well, I'll see you when or if this severe thunderstorm watch relays at all. There we go, finally! This is for us! Here we go! Come on!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 480, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Charlotte, Cumberland, Fluvanna, Brooklyn, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Weird, not getting it.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That sucks.
Eastern Maryland. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time.
Alright, aim it.
Days 2 through 7.
That way.
Friday through Wednesday. Heat index values of 100 to 100.
We all know what this means. Time to make a video! Storms are just about to enter Virginia forecasting area. Yay. We're gonna try to see if we can get 5 radios to activate for an alert at the same time. You're probably asking, oh my god, did you get a new radio? Is it a Recom? Is it a Midland? Is it a radio show? No. It's a walkie-talkie. Searching. Nice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right here so you can get a good enough signal. Perfect.
Is expected to stall to the south Friday before returning north at a warm.
Alright, I'll see if something interesting happens. Here we go. Yeah.
Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, Orange County in central Virginia, south central Capital County in northern Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Madison, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as dead homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by trees.
Balls. What the world? Why is that on? I'm gonna turn that on.
Orange, Madison, Brightwood, Roseville, Rapid, Oak Park, Everona, Verdiersville, Montpelier Station, Madison Run, Pratt, Rochelle, Thornhill, Aurora, Madison Mills, Somerset, and Wyman Hill. For your protection, building. Severe thunderstorm watch number 480 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the
Cool.
county. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Orange County in central Virginia, northeastern Albemarle County in central Virginia, southern Greene County in central Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Standardsville, Oregon, 13 miles north of Charlottesville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Standardsville, Free Union, Campbell, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Godwinsville, Rutgersville, Pilgrim, Quinqui, Fismont, Boonesville, Hart, Barbarsville, Keswick, Stony Point, Hannahtown, Carsbrook, Earlersville, Newtown, and Amicus. For your protection, move to an interior